How to redeem Spotify gift card. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to redeem your Spotify gift card, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to go into spotify.com and then I will need to log into my account. When I log into my account, I need to press on my profile name right here and then after that click on account. So when I've done that, I will need to scroll down just a little bit until I can see where it says redeem. And that is exactly where we need to click. So now what you need to do is to enter a PIN that is on the back of your gift card. Or if you got the code on the receipt, then just enter that code in here as well. And then you will need to confirm that you are not a robot. And that is exactly how to redeem your Spotify gift card. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video. Comment if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.